White shoes are versatile, comfortable, and stylish. But they get quite dirty easily. There are some quick, simple, and highly effective ways to clean your white shoes. Natural ways to clean white sports shoes/white Vans shoes. Bleach is quite effective to remove nasty stain on white shoes. Bleach is a harmful substance, so use it carefully. Mix 1 part of bleach with 5 parts of water. Dip the toothbrush in bleach solution and scrub the stain using it. Allow it to soak for few minutes. Now wash it off with water. Lemon juice is a natural bleacher that works effectively on stains. Mix 1 part of lemon juice with 4 parts of water. Dip a cotton ball in the solution and scrub the shoe stain thoroughly. Now, wash it off with clean water. Baby powder is also another easy way to clean and remove your white shoe stain. Mix some baby powder and warm water thoroughly in a bowl and make a paste of it. Dip a toothbrush in thick paste and scrub the stained area. Then, rinse it with clean water. Alcohol is quite effective cleaning agent for white shoe stains. Dip a cotton ball in the alcohol and soak the stained area. Wipe away the stain with the cotton ball gently. Toothpaste. You can apply non-gel white toothpaste on the dirty spots of shoes. Rub it using an old toothbrush and allow it soak for about 15 minutes. Now, clean the shoes with cold water. Hang them for drying. Acetone/nail polish remover. Rub dipped cotton pads in acetone or nail polish remover over the dirty areas. Scrub the shoes thoroughly. Now, wash them in liquid soap water. Hang them for drying. Hydrogen peroxide. Mix 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of water together. Apply it on white shoe using a toothbrush. Let it dry and then wash the shoe using water. You can clean white canvas shoes also using these home remedies.